Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nonu wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, make a little. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist. And you are tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know how we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so make some noise for Sina. That's right, give it up for Sina. All right, cool. So thanks a lot, Sina, for sending in your request for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. I know you've been waiting a long time for this one. So I asked Sina to describe herself. And one of the major things that she said when she described herself was that she said that her intuition is very strong and she's seldom ever wrong. So for that reason, I'm gonna give her the name Uchechi. Come on, say that with me. Uchechi. Good. So you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Uche means like mind or thoughts, right? And Chi in this context means God. So you put those two together and you get Uchechi, God's thoughts or God's mind. And I gave her that name because of the way she described her personality traits, her strong, almost divine intuition, right? So that's why I gave her that name, Uchechi. Uchechi's names give them the power to be able to persuade and win people over to their side. They're tenacious and they're very adaptable. Tag and share this video with all the Uchechis that you know. Thanks. So, what do you think? Was that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So, likes are free, so please hit the like button down below. Like I said, please send me a comment, subscriptions, hitting the subscribe button is also free also. I appreciate all of your support of this YouTube channel. So please like, comment, subscribe, share this with a friend, hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video because I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. And as I put more content out for you guys, I want you to be able to be the first ones to know, especially if you send me a request to get your very own Igbo name. So if you don't have an Igbo name, you didn't grow up in the culture, feel free to hit my Instagram DM. It's in the description down below. I'm gonna ask you some questions and then you let me know your personality traits and I'll give you the perfect Igbo name, right? So make sure to hit that bell button so you'll be the first to know whenever I post your video. I really appreciate everyone's support of this channel that highlights Igbo names. So again, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. All of your engagement and support at the bottom, likes and comments and subscriptions and things like that, hitting the subscribe button really goes a long way to helping the YouTube algorithm. So I appreciate that. Thank you for watching. If you already have an Igbo name, if you're Igbo, again, let me know. So if you do have one, I can give you a name. If you don't have an Igbo name, I can give you one. If you do have one, I can feature your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. All right. Thanks a lot. Take care. I will see you in the next video.